is the opportunity to pick up handcrafted, hand-painted platters that make your entire holiday that much more festive. And by the way, the colors play back to one of the most popular series that have ever been done. And we've got them for the very first time. You're the first folks to ever see these. I get to introduce you to Tara Tescher. How are you?
I'm good, how are you? Mwah. Good to see you. Good morning, everyone.
This is part of the fun, the enjoyment of holiday entertaining.
Yes, I mean, you can't really see the gingerbread guy there, but here's what we love. It becomes your app plate, it's your serving plate, it's your holiday cheer, and if you take a peek over here, I can show you all 3 different characters. This is part of our Whimsy collection, and this is part of our limited edition collection, meaning we will not do this size and platter ever again. Yes, so we start with our gingerbread. Can I brag on him a little bit?
Absolutely.
So super cute. What I love about this is 16-inch serving platter. It's got a nice size well on the side, but then when you start to look at all of the detail, from the hat, this is a well. So this is your serving platter, but he's figural. He's got his old world scarf on. He's holding his cup of cocoa. He's got the little cardinal that I do in honor of my father over by his arm, and then you go all the way down to his adorable little feet. So that's your gingerbread choice. Next door we have what we call our nutcracker.
Classic.
Look how stunning. Your reds, your greens, your golds, all the way down to the buckles on his shoes, his hat, so adorable. There's embossing and hand painting. Embossing means it's raised.
Right.
And then, of course, we have our adorable snowman.
Which already is the most popular.
Oh, he is, with his pink little rosy cheeks.
Look at
There's
that.
his top hat, of course, that adorable cardinal. And as you mentioned, Dan, if you're not familiar with Temp-tations, all hand painted.
Yep.
All oven safe up to 500 degrees, which means you can actually tuck that under the broiler. But the best part also, we included a gift box or a storage box with a little to and from on it.
At $27.42, these are iconic pieces. Think back to when you were a little kid, where there's certain things in the kitchen during Christmas that you remember that just aren't around anymore.
Yeah.
These are those pieces that start family traditions. And I also want to point out, we had, can I?
Of course.
We have a promotion. Tara did this incredible cookbook, holiday recipes that look as great as they taste. And we had a promotion that if you spent $100 this month
on your cue card,
yes, that you would get this, but it's not till the end of the month. Today is the last day.
That is correct.
So it's like 12 midnight, I think.
Yes, 12 midnight tonight.
West Coast time.
Spend $100 on your cue card on Temp-tations, and we'll send you that great cookbook. Over 200 recipes, 70 color photos, and what I love about it is it's from viewers. We took the recipes and we put them. Yes, well, Taste of Home is all home cooks who send in their recipes. We pick them and then we put them in. So take a peek at this.
This
the
is
Rat
adorable.
King,
yeah,
so stinking cute in our nutcracker. But what I love is you can chill these ahead of time. So put this in your fridge or your freezer, bring out all of your crudité or your little hors d'oeuvres or everything you want to do. And do you see what we're talking about? That well that keeps everything put. Everything stays put. Are they little crackers?
Oh,
they're the little Rat King from the Nutcracker.
Oh.
Right? Then in the middle, this is actually one of the recipes from that great cookbook. So we did these adorable, stinking cute little cupcakes that are decorated, of course, to look like our little snowmen. I love what you were saying, the tradition, the whimsy. This is what I grew up with, these little things, whether it was my grandmother's candy dish or it was a great cookie jar that we had. When you saw those pieces come out, you knew it was time for tradition and time for the holidays.
Your snowman is already iconic.
Yes, he is.
You know, and I got to tell you, it's like when things go viral on the internet, you can't pre-plan that spontaneity.
Right.
It just, you got to be blessed that it happens. But your designs are just fun.
You know, and I love that you say that too, because even if you don't love to cook, you always need a serving platter.
For entertaining.
For entertaining at any time.
Even if your holiday hors d'oeuvre of choice came out of the frozen food section.
There he is.
Okay.
Hello.
Because I got to tell you, a pack of weenies with biscuit stuff around them.
Did you just say a pack of weenies?
A pack of weenies,
I'm like, where are we headed with this?
There's a name of it. Pigs in blankets.
Yes, pigs in a blanket. Yes. These are actually.
I didn't know the official hors d'oeuvre name.
These are actually goat cheese balls. Carolyn's like, she's like, I'm going to help you out, honey. I'm going to come in here.
Goat cheese.
You look adorable, by the way, and I'm getting this.
Hi. Does everyone like my new comfy?
Yes, I do, especially.
I think Dan needs to wear the elf outfit. Do you double dog dare Dan to wear the elf?
Double dog?
The snowman loves it.
I'll do anything.
You guys, we are so holidayed out right now.
Anyway, so cute.
I just wanted to come over and say that is a very nice hors d'oeuvre, Dan. A pack of weenies.
Yeah, no, you wrap them in biscuits.
You wrap them in biscuits.
That's, no, wait, by the way.
It's called a crescent roll.
Pardon me. Just so you know, Carolyn
okay.
grew up 20 miles away from me in Indiana. Apparently, she's on the fancy side of town.
Well, I certainly have my fancy outfit on right now.
Yeah, you do. I love it.
Coming up.
Very cheerful.
That snowman.
Isn't that
I'm
so
telling you,
fun? And
that
we're never going to do him again.
It's a limited edition. It's not per se a numbered piece, but when they're gone, and she's never going to do this size again.
And you get the first look.
Then you got the very first
I love
look at
that.
it. Thanks for bringing it to us.
Thank you, Dan. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
I'm hoping that reindeer thing had something to do with the show.